Good morning. Welcome to August Birthstone month. And today is Thursday morning. Oh, my rings are over there. I'll put some of those on. And we're going to talk to you today about Spinel and Peridot. Peridot has been the classic birthstone for August since as long as I can remember. And just within the last few years, the AGTA Society named Spinel another August birthstone. Yay! For which we were really excited because it is one of my favorite stones that there is, and it is actually favored among many gemologists. And so finally it gets to have a month to be celebrated as well. Spinel comes in, I'm going to let Bria hold that up, many shades, different shades from pink to purple to red. It also comes blue. I don't have any of that here today. We even had one green Spinel once, which was gorgeous. Some lucky person was wearing that in a ring. And it also comes in black. So there's a few there of some loose Spinel that we have in. I think they range from a 1.09 carat up to a carat. I think a carat 58 at the end there. And you can see the various shades from pinks and purples. And they're gorgeous. Spinels are singly refractive like diamond. So they're exceptionally bright. They also were, they're found in the same alluvial deposits that rubies are. And so until about 150 years ago, many of the crown jewels, which were called rubies, they found out were actually Spinel when they could do a testing for it and figured out it was actually a different chemical composition. So we love Spinel, and it has been worn by royalty over many, many hundreds of years.
Yeah, so actually I just found out today when I was researching it that it was identified as a separate mineral from ruby in 1783, and that discovery was actually what caused the birth of gemology as a science. So that's really, really cool because now we have gemologists and gemstones and GIA and all of that, and so that was made possible because of the discovery of Spinel as its own mineral, separate from ruby.
That bracelet Bria was just showing you is phenomenal. It's an 18 karat yellow gold, all channel set Spinel. And if you notice, if you can see there, Spinel has a bit of orange to the pink, which makes it the most dreamy color. And I hope it picks it up on there. It's also very, very bright. So you get a lot of sparkle for a deep, nice saturated color there. These are also Spinels in 18 karat white gold, and I'll hold them up and see how I do too. Oh, that's not bad.
A little bit closer.
Okay, a little bit closer.
Yeah.
And those are pink Spinels, so then 18 karat white gold, super bright, with all kinds of beautiful diamonds and raw brilliance and baguette cuts. They're a great, great dangle. Let's see what else. Where are they found? They're often found in Tanzania, and all over Asia.
And actually in Burma, they say that Spinels, the crystals are so perfect, they're said to be polished by the spirits.
Which I love.
We have some black Spinel too. Oh, so these earrings here are black Spinel. A lot of people might confuse it with onyx, but I think it's a bit sparklier.
Yes, it's definitely a lot more sparkly, a lot brighter than onyx. Onyx is, a little bit more flat. And these are the coolest earrings because there's a combination of red Spinel at the top and then black Spinel briolets at the bottom. And they're super cute on. And if I remember, they're a really wonderful price too. So come and check it out.
So I think, and the only thing, did we talk about the calming influence? Yeah. So I also learned in the lore of Spinel that it's said to have a calming influence and removes feelings of anger and discord. That's always good.
That's really good. let's all put some Spinel on. And August has two birthstones, as we mentioned. The other being Peridot, which Bria has some gorgeous.
I have some Peridot studs on.
And these have a diamond halo. And we also have another pair of studs in with no halo that are really pretty and exceptionally bright. I think Peridots are. Oh, that's what we forgot about Spinel. Spinel has a hardness of 8 on the most hardness scale. Diamonds are 10. Corundum, which includes sapphires and rubies, are 9. Spinel is 8, so it has a really nice hardness. It's a durable stone. We like that too. So it's durable and bright. And Peridot has a hardness of 6.5 to 7. Also pretty durable, so a nice stone to wear. We don't worry too much about it. Like you can wear it as a ring and such. And of course, those earrings, they're gorgeous.
Love these. These are so pretty. They look like little chandeliers.
They're gorgeous on.
These are also really, really nice color. I love these earrings. So peridot is this beautiful, bright yellow-green color, and it's interesting. I found out that while other stones are often colored by trace elements like iron or chromium, peridot is intrinsically this color. It is intrinsically this beautiful yellow-green, which I think is really, really cool.
It looks like springtime and freshness, and yes, it is one of the few stones that we don't say, here are the variations of color. It's always in the green family. Sometimes a little, lighter, more towards yellow, and other times just kind of more of a pure green. And we have gorgeous bracelets, as you can see.
So peridot is found here in the U.S. as well as Africa and Asia, and also outer space. They've found tiny specimens of peridot in meteorites and in comet dust, which is awesome. So peridot is literally out of this world. It's also found here on Earth. It's found in lava. So because of this, it's called an extreme gemstone. In lava and in outer space, it can definitely handle itself.
I like that. This here is a ring that has both a blue topaz in the center with peridots escorting it on either side. And it's really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. It has a really pretty profile there with some real pretty gold work on it.
And I also have a little excerpt from my book of lore about peridot, which I thought was really cool. So as you can see, it's a very light, bright stone, and the ancient Egyptians actually called it the gem of the sun. And it says here that the belief in the virtue to dissolve enchantments and to put evil spirits to flight was probably due to the association of the stone with the sun, before whose life-giving rays darkness and all the powers of darkness were driven away.
Cool. Okay, so this bracelet is primarily quartz. So you have citrine, you have a preciolite, which is a green quartz there, kind of a purples, cocoa, smoky one with diamonds. However, this fabulous bright green stone right there is peridot. So I want you to see that, and look at the back of this bracelet. So pretty.
I love this.
Yeah, and it's not close enough.
The flowers. It's got just a lovely, lovely pattern on the back, and of course the gorgeous gemstones in the front, including that peridot. What haven't we shown yet?
I don't think we showed these. These are really pretty briolette dangles. We used to have these earrings in all different stones. This is, I believe, possibly our last pair.
I think so.
Yeah, and at the bottom is the peridot, but you'll also see blue topaz, pink tourmaline, actually two shades of blue topaz, the deeper and the lighter. So these are gorgeous. And then I'm wearing a necklace also that I don't know if you can see it, but there's peridot here, and it's actually just about every stone. I think there's some tourmalines and
orange sapphire.
So it's really, really cute.
It's really, really pretty. I have also a long necklace on, and this one has a mix of stones, right? Preciolite and peridot. And it can be worn long or doubled.
Gorgeous.
I love this one.
Yeah, and I took off one of my earrings because these are so pretty. So there's your peridot there at the bottom with the diamond halo. But on top, you have purple sapphires and morganite. And it's just moving so much.
There you go.
Yeah. Sorry, it's blurry because I'm not holding it steady. But these are also gorgeous. So we have lots to show you. Come on in, try things on. Oh yeah, and I was holding that up. That's so delicate, so pretty. An 18 karat yellow gold, and you can wear it long or doubled. It's amazing. And it is a combination of peridot and amethyst, and I love green and purple together. It's unusual and really kind of from the garden look.
Yeah. So lucky August babies, you have two amazing birthstones.
Yes, in a wide variety of color, whatever your favorite color happens to be.
Let's take a final look at these gorgeous loose stones, because this is really special. Deja has these in special, so
Spinels.
Come take a look at the birthstone you've probably never heard of. If you're an August baby, you have this new, gorgeous, beautiful stone.
See all those pinks and purples? So you then have that pink again goes to that orangey pink, and it's, oh. And by the way, I love this bangle so much. We also have it in rubies, and we have it in purple sapphire too.
It's such a gorgeous style. It's just so simple and elegant with the bright
Super
color stones.
Super fine stones.
Awesome.
Thank
So
you,
come see your
guys.
birthstone. We'd love to
Take
show it to you in
care.
person.
Happy Thursday.
Bye.